안녕하세요 여러분, 정아 here. Today I will teach you how to say don't worry in Korean. There are two parts you need to know. The first part contains the word 걱정, which means worry in Korean. The second part is 하지 마세요. This means please don't do. If you put them together, you get the phrase 걱정하지 마세요. This expression means please don't worry. This phrase is standard speech, which is a polite way to say don't worry. You can use this at work or with people older than you. If you want to say don't worry to your close friend, you can drop 세요 at the end to make it informal. The informal version would be 걱정하지 마. For example, you could say 너무 걱정하지 마, which means don't worry too much. Another common phrase is 걱정 마세요. This phrase is a shorter version of 걱정하지 마세요. The informal way to say this is 걱정 마. You may also say 잘 될 거야. It means it will work out. When saying it to someone older, you can say 잘 될 거예요 instead. The phrase is also commonly used to motivate others on billboards or advertisements in Korea. If you want a resource for don't worry in Korean, I will put a link in the description. Where have you heard these phrases? Please let us know in the comments below. Bye for now!